Alright, my NASCAR custom diecast fans, we are putting some JB-Weld together, this two-part epoxy with the hardener and the steel, equal portions, in order to reassemble some of these cars. You can see I've got it together there on my plate, and we're going to mix it up and put some cars back together here for Nick. So I just get like a little sturdy toothpick here. Take a minute to mix this up well. I've seen some cars come apart because it's not well mixed. So make sure you do this. You don't want any of the black or the off-white sticking through. Mix it up as such. And then when we're working on these cars here, we put some on the inside, which I think is really where it's being held together. Get some there. And on this back. Keep it off the sides and the back, of course. And then let's get this together here. Like so. And I didn't glue this ahead of time, but we'll just put a little bit here and a little bit here. Like so. I'll take this piece out. Maybe. Alright. Gonna come out. Okay. Put this guy on here. Press him down good. So that's seated in place. And then we bring this guy over top. Like so. Make sure that's in there. Okay. And then what I like to do here, it's got these little clamps. You can get them for like $1 or $2, like Lowe's or Home Depot. Just little frame clamps. They're just plastic with a little metal spring in there, and got these little cushion areas so I don't mark up the roof. And then we just clamp this guy like so. Okay, I like to use this block of wood for the next gen cars. This is not one of them, so I don't need it. And then we come back with the JB-Weld and we fill in and top this guy off. The better job you do of being careful when you drill out these metal rivets, the easier it is to get the JB-Weld on here. So you got like a little cup here to fill in. If you drill like crazy and you just tear up all the plastic, then you got a mess trying to get this all together. So you want to be careful doing that. And that's it, guys. You do it like that, inside out, and then what I like to do is just let this sit like so, relatively level on those little areas. You see that? Just let it sit, and I usually let it sit for a good 12 to 24 hours, and then it dries hard and you've got your custom all reassembled the way it should. That's it, guys. Appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing for these little tips on how to make custom 164 NASCAR diecast to the best of your ability, all for the glory of God. God bless. Take care. Have a great day.